instant privacy, without changing the character of this beautiful home in Howard County, Maryland. The home's glass front door created an elegant entrance, but it also left the interior feeling exposed, especially at night. To solve this, Smart Glass Country's certified installers carefully prepared the existing glass and precisely applied our ultra-clear smart film, the clearest smart film on the market that we back with a 7-year warranty. The electrical components were then discreetly connected, allowing the homeowners to switch the door from clear to private at the touch of a button. The installation was thoroughly inspected and tested to ensure smooth switching and a clean, professional finish. Now the entrance remains bright and welcoming during the day, with much-needed privacy available at the push of a button, a seamless transformation, and a very happy homeowner.